is Priyal Mehta, and right now, currently, I'm in fourth year of my 5-year law course, and I study in University of Bombay. And I actually want to pursue law and become a lawyer in the corporate field mainly. As of now, what I've thought, and I really want to work in a firm where, actually right now I'm pursuing a M&A course from Law Seco. So I thought maybe that would push me to what I want to become what kind of a lawyer I want to become in the corporate field. So that's what right now my ambition is. I have done 4 internships before, and two of them were majorly in the corporate field. So I have a quite experience in that field as well. When I go for an internship, they assign us work what they are specializing into. I don't have a choice to, pick up the field that I want to. So now, as a student, I don't have really much options or knowledge as to what I want to, pursue in corporate field or whatever I want to go in. So as I went through this law sequence, I saw a lot of courses, and mergers and acquisitions was the one that attracted me, and I really wanted to specialize in that field. As of now, like, my interest is still there, but I wanted to gain some practical knowledge, because even though internships do provide practical knowledge, it does not really help us to learn us things the way this course is providing us to learn, like from basics, from the scratch. They make us understand the concepts very clearly, and that might help me to become very confident enough when I go for further internships. After doing this course, like currently, even though I'm doing right now, I'm pretty sure I have learned a lot of things in this particular field where I have expanded my knowledge in that field. So, for example, say if they are assigning me some work, I will have a better knowledge of what kind of work this is, because I have done this course and now I know a lot of things in detail as compared to what I used to know. And it is just not about the syllabus that the course is providing. It also provides a lot of other factors, like I can do my time management. I can also, it is my communication skills have also improved, because all the courses, all the classes, they are very communicative and interactive, so that also helps there. Very good. I would really recommend to my friends and fellow mates, because it is very productive in a way. Like the students are mostly experienced lawyers, and they are just not experienced lawyers, but there are also young students. So whenever a discussion takes place or anything, it is very interesting. Even our mentors, they are also very experienced lawyers, so they also share their experiences, they share their practical knowledge. So it is just not like the things we learn just for the sake of getting an internship or gaining practical knowledge, but it is also way more beyond that.